Hello guys, we got this 2012 Ford Fusion. This is on live. This is a live video from the moment. It's currently like around 11 a.m. and this is what we're working on. We're making this car ready for the summer. This car, the AC doesn't work, and look at this. In order to replace a sensor, this is a 2012 Ford Fusion with a four-cylinder. If you got one of these, most likely you're gonna have a problem like this. And yeah, it's not gonna be the compressor, it's not gonna be the freon, it's not gonna be the electrical. It's just a sensor, and this is what you gotta do in order to replace it. Look at this. It's a big job to replace this sensor on this car. This is the evaporator sensor replacement for a 2012 Ford Fusion four-cylinder. Uh, this is the only way to get this sensor out. So we got this car pretty much breaking down, and just wanted to show you where the sensor is located. It's right there. That's the little plug for the sensor. And look at this. This is on live. This is a live video, like I say. We are halfway, officially a halfway, and basically the sensor is being replaced. This is the old sensor, and just for this little thing, the engineering put it in the wrong spot, or they think they put it in the right. Sorry, uh, they think they put it on the right spot. I won't, I don't think that's the only place you can put it on. Um, but that's the sensor. So let me get in here a little bit more and show you where the sensor is located. So the sensor is located in there. That's the new sensor already, ready to be plugged in. Like I say, it's hard to even plug it in. So it's in there. It's not. So that's the evaporator temperature sensor. Without that sensor, the AC doesn't work. It don't come on. It don't do anything. So this is what you gotta do. 2012 Ford Fusion, uh, four-cylinder. AC problems, calls me 832-618-7291. We in Houston. We can help you out. We can come to you and get it done. Thanks a lot.